and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Colorfuldiy. They were kind enough to send me some goodies, so let's get into it. We'll go with the one that you can see first, and we'll go in it that way then. This one is one of what I like to call an off the canvas item. It's not a standard diamond painting, but there's nice fun projects that you can bling up. So we get a standard toolkit, boat wax and pen. And this one it's down as a mask holder. So as many of you know, the world has changed, and you can pop a clean mask into this, or possibly more, and decorate it so that you have a nice little holder for your masks. But it can be used for many other sort of small things that you may find that you need to carry around with you, and quite often items that will look prettier in a case. So this one is a swan. I just thought it was really nice and bright and colourful. Oh, the diamonds are in a bag. So let's get these out so you can see the colours that will go onto the swan. So we have some clear sort of silver and some gold, and then some gold circles as well. Yellow, pink, purple, more purple and blue. We've got a nice array of colours there, a nice array of different shapes as well that will make it look really nice. But yeah, I do like the colours that sort of pop around the edge, and then of course you make a feature of the swan itself. Symbols are just numbers, numbers and letters. So 1 to 7 and the letter A, and they are marked on the packet. Quite often when I work on things like these, often I will just do them one number at a time. Nice little project in front of the TV, sense of accomplishment, something's been finished, and you've got something nice to carry around. Number 2, this is getting into the paintings now, so diamond paintings themselves. I will pop links to all of these items below, of course, so that you can find them for yourselves. But, missing Australia, I think. That's what it is. But isn't he gorgeous? So we have a koala bear actually awake in the trees with the nice flowers. This is down as a 30 by 40. It has 20 colours. It is round. And it does come with the MC numbers, but the symbols are really clear, as you can probably see. Let's have a look. What size is it? Find the tape. So the size of your actual canvas is just short of 25 by just short of 35. So it's a nice size. This probably can't be done in an evening, unless it's a very, very, very long evening. But you get a standard toolkit plus baggies. Let's have a look. There's some nice pops of colour in this, and I think that's what attracted me to it. As well as, of course, the cute koala. Let's find the end. Here we go. So we've got some nice greens, nice pop of colour there, some more muted burgundies, lots of greens of course, but we have quite a nice amount of other colours, and some of the greens are nice and vibrant as well. Nice pop of orange, nice pop of pink, that's probably that flower at the bottom, a few more greens. So a nice selection to work with. Green's a nice colour to work with. You can get quite a few greens, quite a few different shades of green, so it can make it a really, really nice colour to work with. Because even though they're all green, there's so many different variants of it that you kind of feel like you're working on something different. But yeah, a little awake koala bear. Okay, and then last but by no means least, it's the bigger one. So if you like big diamond paintings, I mean, they have all sorts available on the website, of course. Big diamond paintings, small diamond paintings, lots of off the canvas items, square and round. These are just the ones that caught my eye, that, you know, maybe I've not had before. Oh yes, let me make all the other stuff move out the way. This was just a scene that I thought was stunning. Look at that. How nice is that? So it's like a waterfall, and then you've got the rocks, and it's got a nice lot of purple. It's like a nice calming scene. I could imagine this going above your bed type picture, you know, in some restful room, just to help calm the world. It has 24 different colours. They do have DMC numbers, and this one is also round, but the symbols are really nice. I don't know whether it's because there's a lot of lighter colours up here. I mean, even the dark ones, the symbols look clear. They just look really stunning across here. There's just so many, look, so many nice symbols and shades. I think that's going to turn out really nice. The actual size of the drill area is just short of 75 centimetres by 35 centimetres, so not a big border around the painting. You do get the key on both sides. You do get a toolkit with a boat waxing pen, and then let's have a look at the colours. I can imagine some really nice soft pinks, blues and purples. Some darker colours as well to mix it up. We have got a little bit of 310, but we have really nice soft pinks and blues, some stronger blues as well, even some stronger pinks. That's a nice blue. Then we have some purples. Oh, is that the black? It is. So we do have 2 bags of black. We have quite a bit around the edges. But then we have some really nice purples. In fact, we have 2 bags of purples, of one colour of purple, you know, just to compensate for the black, unless you like the black. Some more gorgeous pale pink, blues, greys, greens. That's a nice sort of really nice deep turquoisey colour as well. So yes, very, very nice colours in that one. I can see that in a nice calm space. Oh look, we've even got a little tree down here on the edge of the rock. It's amazing how the waterfalls do turn out and you can see them as well. Sometimes you think some details aren't going to get across in a diamond painting, but it's amazing how many times they can. We've even got some birds flying away here, off to whatever's behind us. So I will pop links to them all below, of course, but we've got waterfall, we've got koala, and then we do have a mask or other item holder. We can always find something to put in those little knick-knack storage bits. Maybe your cover paper would fit in there, something like that with your diamond painting. But as I say, I'll pop links to them all down below. Thank you so much to A Colourful DIY for sending me these items to share with you all, and I will speak to you all again soon.